Hi everyone! Today we will be making a cheese and onion soda bread that will be served with a roasted red peppers and tomato soup. For this recipe you will need is a mix of wholemeal flour and plain flour, bicarb, some sea salt and 400 ml of buttermilk, vintage cheddar, crispy onions and few thyme leaves. For your soup, just use some red vine tomatoes accompanied by small sweet red peppers or yellow peppers, and we're going to sprinkle these with sea salt flakes, olive oil, crushed garlic and few herbs, ready to roast for 20 minutes. First step, we're going to pour our flour in our bread bowl and we're going to mix with some salt and bicarb, and then we're going to add our buttermilk. Don't worry if you can't find buttermilk, you can always make it yourself at home, just adding a few drops of lemon to 400 ml of milk. We're going to flavor with a vintage cheddar, some crispy onions and some thyme. Once the bread mix is ready, we're going to move on with roasting our vegetables, and it's only going to be coated in olive oil and some sea salt flakes, 20 minutes in the oven before blending it all together. All ready in under 40 minutes. And here you have my easy to make soda bread flavored with cheese and thyme and crispy onions, served with roasted peppers and tomato soup. Enjoy!